everyone and welcome back to Allotment Life. This is my YouTube channel where I document everything that I get up to at the allotment and I take you along with me. The asparagus are definitely being eaten because these were new shoots the other day and something's had them. I have a few seedlings over here which do not look good. That's been eaten. That does not look alive. But the sweet peas are going great over here. And the potatoes, they're huge. They look fantastic. Today I'm going to be sieving some soil. I've got two different sieves. Here's one with the larger sized holes, and then here a finer soil sieve. I've loosened the soil with the pickaxe and now I'm going to sieve it. Simply place your soil sieve across a wheelbarrow, shovel in your soil, and then shake it. All we've got left are some big weeds and the stones, and there's now a nice fine soil to use. Working on the dahlias today, and that means getting them out of storage from last year. They've been safely, well I hope safely, they've been stored away in this cardboard box with lots of bubble wrap. Let's have a look. In the winter of 2022, it went down to -10, and the tubers that we were storing in the shed, they didn't survive. So, the winter of 2023, we've planned ahead to try and save them. Let's have a look. Oh, I don't know. I don't know whether this is good or not. You can see on the top here, these look a little damp, and there is some mould there. That's not good, but that feels solid, so that has survived. We may have lost this one. Yeah. Oh, one part of it is okay, but the rest has not survived. I've got the dahlias out and they're not too bad. I think all of these have survived because they're still quite firm and sturdy. So that's good news that they survived. And this is all that I lost. Just a couple that have gone soft there. These single ones I'm just going to put in the ground anyway. I don't know if they'll amount to anything. I have just consulted with my allotment neighbour, and these single small tubers, they will grow. I thought that they had to be attached like this, but apparently not. He says that you can divide the bigger ones and it just gives you more plants. So it doesn't matter that I've got some that have come apart. When I opened the box and saw this white fluffy part and these white parts, I thought it was mould. And I thought we had a disaster. But again, after consulting with my allotment neighbour, that means they're growing. They're already starting to grow now. So they're not mouldy. Fantastic. I'm going to make my way along here, putting the bark down on top of this layer of cardboard and weed control membrane. Oh dear, that wasn't great. Bad news, the camera just blew over in the wind and it's broken. It won't turn off and the lens is at this angle now. Not great. The wind and the rain and the broken camera have beaten me. So I'll go home and try again another time.